Alright, so we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Govee Smart Thermal Hygrometer. Got this just because I was curious as to what the humidity level was in our home, as well as kind of keeping track of the temperature. Alright, so let's do some unboxing here. Alright, so let's see what we got. Oh, Milo's making an appearance on the camera. Right, dude? Okay, you gotta move your face. Thank you. Alright, comes with some booklets, user manual. Wow, pretty extensive in several languages. And here's the hygrometer itself. Nice big display. Let's see what kind of batteries we have to get in here. Seems like 2 AAAs. Alright, hopefully these are charged, or Amazon Basics nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries. Let's pop them in. Seems like it's working. Has a nice stand. Alright, so now that I placed my own batteries in there, I've come to discover there are batteries at the bottom of the box. And they're actually Panasonic batteries. Oh well, we'll use rechargeable ones, that's fine. Okay, so there is an app for this called the Govee Home app. So let's download it real quick. Alright, let's see how easy this thing is to set up. Okay, so let's add a device. Let's see what the model of this thing is real quick. 5075. I guess might as well make an account. Alright, now that we're logged into the account, we can do this. And we can see that it found the device already. Seems like my neighbors might have some Govee devices as well. I hope I connected to the right one. Let's take a look. I'm gonna try something different here. Let's see if I can add the other device, which I think is my neighbor's device. Let's just see what happens. Alright, so let's see if I add this one. So, as far as security goes here, clearly not the best. So, it loaded my neighbor's data from the past month. That is interesting. The bottom one is the one that's my hygrometer. So we're gonna remove one of these. Alright, so let's see. Last time I did this, there were 2 devices, and there still are 2. So let's see if the app can help us out. Multiple devices found. I guess let's rescan. Okay, so That's interesting. So let me show you this again. So let's say you're searching for the devices. You get 2, right? So what you can do, bring it closer, and one starts flashing, and that's mine. So you can name your device. It sounds fine to me. It's loading data, and this is what we got. When you go to the main page, it's going to show you the battery level of the device itself, and any other devices that you might have in your home. Alright, so that concludes this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on our next one.